In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an epic in Jira, a task management tool that's widely used for agile project management. While managing your projects on Jira, there might be instances where you need to delete an epic that is no longer relevant or was created by mistake. Today, we'll go through the steps to do this efficiently on your desktop. Make sure you're comfortable with this action, as once an epic is deleted, it cannot be restored. Let's kick things off by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and navigate to Jira. Once there, enter your credentials as you would on any other login screen. This will bring you to your Jira dashboard where you have access to all your projects and tasks. But hold on a second, make sure you have the necessary permissions to delete an epic. Deleting such items may require admin rights or a specific role within your Jira project, so double check that you're authorized to perform this operation. Alright, now that you're logged in, let's go ahead and locate the specific epic you wish to delete. The most straightforward way to do this is by heading over to the backlog section. Think of the backlog as your project's to-do list. It offers a comprehensive view of all user stories, tasks, and epics that are still on the docket. Can't seem to find it there? No worries. There's a handy search issues feature where you can input keywords or directly type in the epic's name to locate it efficiently. Once you've successfully found your target epic, click on it to open up its detailed view. Typically, this will display a screen packed with all the nitty-gritty details of the epic, including its status, a description, and any associated tasks or stories. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Cross-check the information to ensure this is indeed the epic you want to delete, so there are no regrets after hitting that delete button. Moving on, you're going to notice a More menu. This is usually represented by 3 little dots and is often located in the top right corner of the epic view. Clicking it will unveil a drop-down list brimming with options concerning the epic. From these options, click on Delete. Doing so will prompt a confirmation pop-up. This is Jira's way of safeguarding against accidental deletion, since such actions are irreversible. Please carefully confirm once more that you are indeed deleting the correct epic. Once all is checked and you're ready, go ahead and click Delete in the confirmation pop-up. And just like that, you've permanently removed the epic from your Jira project. Always remember, deletion is final, so make sure everything is in order before you proceed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for sticking around this tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide makes managing your Jira projects smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful how-to videos on project management and the tech tools you use every day. Got questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below.